So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to cover the important functionality of SQL, which is min and max. Now first of all, what do you mean by min and max? So at high level, it's just taking the minimum value and maximum value from a specified set. So now in SQL, we use min and max by using group by. So before proceeding to the SQL, what we will do, we will try to first of all understand the concept of how it works, and then we will move to the SQL part. So here you can see I have one result set over here, and in that I have three groups. Okay, first is a group which is of Alex, second is a group which is of John, and third is a group which is of Vinod. Now in these three groups you can see that each group has two entries. For example, for Alex, in the month of September, sales amount is 3,000. For Alex, in the month of October, the sales is 6,000. So this way we have this data for two other employees. Now what we are trying to achieve over here is, from this group we want min and max. Now let's consider first group, which is this one. Now you can see in this group we are having values for sales amount as 3,000 and 6,000. So if you want to find min, what will be this group? What will be it? 3,000. Similarly, max will be 6,000. So this functionality of taking the min and max from a group is done by using the min and max function of SQL. Now let's move to the SQL side of this. So at high level, we just have two tables here. One is TBL employee, one is TBL employee sales. We are joining the two tables based on the employee ID. And once we join based on the employee ID, we get a result set. Let's review that. So this is the result set which we get after joining the two tables based on the employee ID. So you can see over here, we have at high level three sets. One is for Alex, one is for John, and one is for Vinod. Now we considered these three sets just for the understanding purpose in Excel also. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use group by function of SQL, okay, group by clause, and in that we will pick up the min and max, right? So first of all, what we have to decide, we have to do group by on which column. So the logic is we have to do the grouping based on the column which has same values. For example, if you see over in this group, we have employee name, which is same in both the rows. So the grouping will be done on employee name. Once you group based on the employee name, you have to pick up minimum and maximum value for sales amount. So let's see how do we achieve this functionality. So what we have done, we have used group by clause, and that we have done on the result set that we have generated by joining TBL employee and TBL employee sales based on the employee ID. Once we do the grouping, right? Once we do the grouping of this employee name, we can apply the min and max function, right? So what happens is when you group by a particular column, you can then apply a aggregate function on that. Like either you can apply minimum or maximum. So when you say group by AMP name, when you say minimum, min function when you use, So 3000 will be considered. And when you say max, so in that case, 6000 will be considered. So you can see over here for Alex, minimum is 3000 and maximum is 6000. So same way it's calculated, or it's we get the result of min and max for other two employees, which are John and Vinod. So I hope you would have liked this video. So if you want me to make a video on any particular topic, just write that in the description box. And please like this video and do subscribe this channel. Thank you.